Okay, so number 6, usually I send a video to my children or texting them in the morning before they wake up and go to school. Sorry, been busy. So you could do it at least once, or greet your old friends, and it would go a long way to your acquaintances and rebuild that friendship that had been lost in time. Okay? Number 7. Usually, when I get to my workplace, I usually make myself a black coffee. No sugar, no nothing, only a coffee, a black coffee. So it would now stimulate your brain cells and wake you up. After that, after waking up your coffee, it's the usual work, your routine of working at the workplace. Number 8. After doing some rounds, seeing state of not calamity, state of the status of your work. Usually I'm already bounded in my chair and taking my coffee, and before you have to do some small things, the goal is I have to make my editing of my videos, whether it can be 5 to 10 minutes long video. I mean, that's it, no? Have to make it simple, and usually I don't try to mumbo jumbo or do a lot of editings, so it would really take just a small amount of time while on the workplace. Okay, so how many is that? Okay, it's number 10. No, usually I at least read a book. Man, it's been a habit of mine for how many years now? You know, personal development, inspiration, and motivational books. And man, I lost my, because of these termites. They ate my Steve Jobs. Now I have to buy another book. The sad thing is, it was a hardbound and it was a limited copy, which was a gift to me. Now I have to buy a copy locally. Man, I was really pissed off with that. Now then, there. Pick up a book. Read and learn and feed your curiosity. You know, I mean, I don't have any bullet points or what I read is what I'm trying to share, then applying it to my experience, you know. So with you, hopefully you've gained some or picked up some things that I've said a while ago. Oh, thank you so much for showing up, and I really appreciate it. You know, this is Warner. Okay, this is my life in motion, and if you have any comments, good or bad, would appreciate it and try to answer back. So after that, the whole day you spend at least 2 to 3 hours of editing and after reading, so you filled up your curiosity, learned a few things, picked up some new things, inspired by what you've read. Hopefully you could reflect on it and apply it to your daily lives. What is your inspiration? And what is your goal results that you want to achieve? You know? And learning, curiosity is one way. Anyway, this video is kind of long, and again, thank you so much. This is Werner. This is my life in motion. God bless, and see you on the next vlog. Okay? In God's time, promises, and fulfillments. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers, friends, cheers.